Hello, what's up guys? This is Suspicious Challenger here. Today I'm gonna make Christmas lamp. This is the bottom of the lamp. It is Rudolph's face. So cute. Attach the LED lamp. This will light the acrylic plate. Now I'm gonna draw a Christmas tree on the acrylic plate. Use a pin to draw. Okay, finished. Insert the plate into the gap in the box. If I turn on the light, the Christmas tree is beautifully shining on the acrylic plate. So let's make more. I will make a Santa lamp, do the same as I did before. And let's go snowman. Next, I will write as Merry Christmas. Wow, they look very nice. Thanks for watching this video. Merry Christmas!